Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can quickly restart your gateway on OpenClaw if it crashes. So let's get started. Now first off, I'm in the OpenClaw setup wizard, so I will just exit this by pressing Ctrl+C. Now I'm in my terminal back again, and here we would just need to execute one simple command to restart the gateway and bring it back online. So I will put this command in the pinned comment down below, so you can just copy paste it in your terminal and execute it. So the command is this one: systemcli user restart OpenClaw gateway. Now for this you would need to have OpenClaw installed globally. If you don't know how to do that, I also made a video about it, and you would know if you have it installed globally if you get OpenClaw command not found. That means that you didn't install it globally. But essentially, once we have our command right here, let's go ahead and press enter to execute it. And there we go. After just a few moments, the gateway service will be restarted and you should be able to use your OpenClaw as you did before it crashed. But essentially guys, that's a really quick guide on how you can restart the gateway service on OpenClaw. If you found this video helpful, you can watch my other OpenClaw videos, and I'll see you in one of those. Thank you for watching.